So to advertise any business on different countries, first of all, classify will be two types. One is login without login. So coming to logando.net, the site will be particular India. .NET will be only for India. So people for .NET will be India. .NET will be India. But here .NET will be India. Suppose I'm changing for country, go to australia.com.au. This will be only can access for login and the register. They will show always switch to Indian portal. This will be classified to add a particular country by using login and the password. Some website will be have no login and no password to post your content any countries. To post your any countries. I'll show one example site. I'll open this website. freeadsbook.com. This will be no need any login and password. This will be post your ad based on your category. But here, without login and password classifieds, zone drawbacks are there. I'll show the drawback. Post an ad, the generating leads, but the small drawback. Post your category, services, add your ad, website design development, add it, control A, control V. After that, select your location, India, and select your location. I'm writing for Hyderabad. Okay, writing for name. Email address is a mandatory field. Without writing email address, without login website will be not approved. And phone number will be very important. Now click for post at my free site. They're showing for success will be done. Now you have a question. So how to edit your particular ad? See this one. The ad will be run in a particular option. See your total ad. After see ad, they click the link. They give response by where using name, email, and the message. In this drawback, they're not generating your SEO title. They're not generating SEO title. Only created by their URL structure. Which one? Create the URL structure. The lead will generate name, email, and the message. Capture code, click for contact. They receive email by your particular email address. That is called, they will be providing for customized email to access your free classified without login classified. That is the email is mandatory. Why? They're sending for request. And remember, what are the classified you're posting? They not receive is active or not. They not receive any mail for active or not. How to check? Let's go to home page. Which category are you posting your ad? Select your services. The ad will be is existing or not. Check by your particular category. This is totally checked by manual option. You can post any country on your particular ad to build your option. Without login website is approved by image will be 50-50. Sometimes will be approved, sometimes will be not approved. Means sometimes will be approved, sometimes will be not approved. See, no image, image, no image, no image, no image. See this. Maximum they not upload images without login website. Any ad will we can see easily. We can generating for referral traffic. We generating for referral traffic. So totally scroll down. Click. They finally go to my website. Then finally go to my website. So this is called to post your content multiple countries. So select by the with the login with your login website. This will very mandatory and classified submission sites. Let's finally move to the your website here. So this it will be like this will be open. Is it clear? This is called to understanding for post your classified ads.